Introduction to Google Colab. Hello everyone and welcome to this course. What's Google Colab? Google Colab, short of Google Collaboratory, is a free cloud-based platform provided by Google. It allows you to write and execute Python code in a collaborative environment. Google Colab provides a Jupyter notebook interface that enables users to write and execute code, view output, and share documents with others. Why use Google Colab? Google Colab is a convenient and powerful platform of running Python code, especially for tasks related to data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. It's widely used by researchers, data scientists, educators, and developers for various projects and collaborations. Key features of Google Colab. First, it is free access to limited GPU and TPU. Google Colab provides limited free access to graphical processing units, GPUs, and tensor processing units, TPUs. These can significantly speed up the execution of deep learning and machine learning tasks. Second, Jupyter Notebook integration. Colab supports Jupyter Notebooks, allowing users to write and execute Python code in cells. It also supports Markdown for documentation and LaTeX for mathematical expressions. Cloud-based. Colab runs entirely in the cloud, eliminating the need for local installations of Python or any other dependencies. It also integrates with Google Drive, allowing users to save and access notebooks directly from their Google Drive account. Sharing and collaboration. Colab notebooks can be easily shared with others, allowing for real-time collaboration. Users can grant permissions to view, edit, or comment on notebooks, making it a powerful tool for teamwork among researchers and developers. Additional libraries and packages. Colab comes pre-installed with many popular Python libraries and packages, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Users can also install additional packages using pip or conda. Interactive visualizations. Colab supports interactive visualizations using libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. This allows users to create dynamic and interactive plots directly within the notebook. For more details, you can visit this tutorial. In conclusion, Google Colab is a powerful tool that makes it easy to run Python code in a cloud-based collaborative environment. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, Google Colab offers a range of features that can enhance your coding and data analysis experience.